Claude's Cooking with Claude.
Bonjour, je suis Claude. I am here today to help you to prepare some food. May I present my assistant, Frank.
Monsieur Claude, Monsieur.
Today,
Frank, Monsieur Claude.
the first thing it is necessary to do.
What do we do first?
Please be silent. Today, it is necessary to start off any meal. It is necessary to start with a clean working space.
Clean working.
This is
like that.
Oui. This is absolutely necessary. Pick up the crack. Pick it up. Today, for you, especially you poor people out there who don't have too much to work with.
Eggs.
We are going to teach you how to utilize the ingredients you have at your disposal. These odds and ends you have laying around, and to prepare a delicious holiday meal with anything you might have on hand. Please.
Claude.
Oui.
What are we going to fix today?
A soufflé. Soufflé du leftover.
Soufflé de leftover.
Anything. You can, if you are following me at home, you may use anything you have. Lima beans, neck bones, cornbread, cereal,
The
pickles.
ingredients?
We have ketchup here. Anything, and it will turn into a delicious holiday meal.
The ingredients don't make no difference.
No.
French.
Oui.
First, what do we need? Eggs?
Oui.
How many?
Une douzaine. Oui. Flour. Bleu.
Flour?
Just depending on how big your soufflé will be. Mine will be small for me and Frank here. So we will only add 2 scoops. Deux.
Deux. I thought you said 2.
2. Oui, 2.
Oh, deux is 2.
Oui. This is the foundation of your soufflé. This and the eggs. Anything else is optional. You must understand.
We broke our eggs. This is okay.
Bring me some more. C'était important. Give me the eggs. Eggs. I need 2 more eggs, idiot. One more. Let me get it. Now, we will mix this up until it is consistent.
This one is consistent.
Get away from me. Put it in here. Stand aside. We will mix this until the eggs and the flour are very consistent. Then, a soufflé is like a magic recipe. You can start with eggs and flour and add anything. You still have a soufflé. You understand?
Really?
Bring me some stuff to put in our soufflé. And I'm doing this.
How about a pickle soufflé?
I am doing this, I want you to understand, for you very poor people out there, you peasants, you leeches.
We all know the poor
You people
like
who do not have anything, cannot afford to buy good food. Some juice. We need some juice.
We need some juice. This kind of juice you want, or you want me to turn around and give you some juice?
If you want more.
This juice, okay. Look like my juice.
As you can see, it's this is our base. This will bake up very nicely.
Looks like scrambled eggs.
I took some leftovers left out of my refrigerator.
It's my
Just
refrigerator.
anything, please. Just anything I had left. Some ketchup. Ketchup adds a nice, tangy taste to our soufflé. You would like
right.
Go play with the ketchup. Tangerine. Tangerine is marvelous fruit. They only come out in the winter, but when they are out, you must get some. They are marvelous. I had a can of beer. Beer is wonderful. Beer makes it rise, the effervescence. You may take that. Our soufflé is coming along.
Seeds.
It's coming along very nicely. My my hands. I cannot stand to get my hands dirty. Please, please dispose.
Don't you want some of those?
Please, please. Okay, let me see what else I have here. I can make this souffle as big as I like because I can add as much as I like. Anything. Here's some lemon pudding. Somebody made a lemon pie, and we had a little bit left. This will add a marvelous tangy taste.
It looks so delicious, Claude.
I know. I am a marvelous cook.
I understand the slop all over my hand. I understand that you have been chosen to be the new chef in the new White House.
Oui, this is true, very true.
And you'll be cooking for Mr. Carter?
I am well renowned.
Mr. Peanut?
Oui.
Pardon me.
Spaghetti. You must remember to break it. It will stick out of the souffle if you do not. Just a few. This doesn't need to be boiled. No reason. Peanut, speaking of my upcoming career as chef at the president's quarters, I happen to have some peanuts here. I just love peanuts. You must remember to crack them. We do not want shells. No shells. No. Do you understand me? Take the shell.
Well, you want the peanut, not the shell.
Do you eat shells? Or you
Is the Pope a Catholic?
You are weird. I do not know. I am French. In French, we are Buddhist.
I have to go pâté.
Please, take your time. Oh, one ingredient we must not do without. Frank, please assist. Stir this. We are out without a special ingredient.
Very good and delicioso.
You like? Taste again.
No, that's enough for now. It's better when it's cooked.
I think I need add more flour. Will you? Just a little more.
How's that, Tim? And a pinch.
Pardon. What is it with you?
No problem.
Oh. I cannot stand a messy working area. It just ruins the whole mood. Please. What else have we here? Syrup. Binding.
A log cabin.
Log cabin? Oui.
Log cabin, oui. You see, I got flour on my... I know nothing about cooking,
I know.
Claude.
I know. Please open it. Beast. Open. My souffle is being ruined. It must be put in the oven. We must... help you get this. I will add the whipped cream. Who is
What?
it?
What is that?
Idiot!
No, Claude! I'm sorry!
Idiot!
Did you want me to open this?
Open it immediately. Look at you. Look at you.
Hungry?
I must tell you,
My
after...
mother is going to wonder.
After your souffle is finished, you may also
What do you do with a jar that will not finish?
break.
Open, break a jar in. Like that?
Oui.
Oui.
Must
Is that enough cereal?
more. Don't get it all over my hands, you idiot.
Sorry, monsieur.
Miserable
Mr.
slob.
Mister.
Take it away. Get me a wet cloth to wipe off my hands. Don't worry about your suit. Okay, I must tell you, after the souffle is finished, it baked and rise very high.
The cornflake.
You can top with frosted flakes, Kellogg sugar frosted flakes. Top with Kellogg sugar frosted flakes and whipped cream. It adds a wonderful finishing touch to any souffle. A prize! How you say? Real neat. Let me open. See what we got.
Is that Cracker Jack?
No. You will pay for that.
I don't understand. What?
This is a
This shows strawberries.
$50 shirt you just ruined, you idiot.
Who?
And you on this stupid. Get away from me.
But Claude.
3D. What is
who?
3D?
Who?
What is 3D? 3D.
That's the apartment
Hey,
upstairs. I live in 3B.
3D.
I live in 3B.
You live on a card in the cereal box.
Who gives a shit, Claude? Cook!
Okay, I am finished. Bring me a pan. I will put the souffle in a pan.
Do we have a pan, Claude?
I don't know. That is your job. You are my assistant. You're fine. Bring me some of them Oreos. Put in the souffle. I love Oreos.
We don't have a pan, Claude.
We will bake it in the plastic container.
Oh.
They do not melt. Most people think they do. I don't know why. If it does, you just rip it away from the cake. Especially in a microwave. They do not melt in a microwave, but then you poor people certainly cannot afford good food. You certainly cannot afford a microwave oven. How silly.
Some have powers.
What
They
power?
steal.
What power?
If they can afford a Cadillac, Claude, can they not afford a microwave oven? A $12,000 Cadillac?
Please, do not interfere with me. This is a very crucial step to my souffle. Do you wish to ruin my souffle?
Claude,
The slightest
there is...
disturbance of this souffle now could ruin all my efforts put into it.
There's whipped cream on my tennis shoe, Claude.
Go lick it off.
Isn't it
No.
essential for the souffle?
Marvelous. I will show you. Marvelous. Just microwave. What I'm showing you to.
Oh, Are we going to bake?
We must bake. What's
Oh,
the
there's
point?
the oven. Bake.
What is the point of making a souffle? Not bake. I'm gonna ruin your oven here. Souffle must bake for 1 hour. No more, no less.
Preheated to how many degrees, Claude?
Preheated to 900 degrees.
How many? Claude, what is it?
Give me that. Give me the pan of cream. No, we do not need any more whipped cream.
Okay.
We are through. When the finished product is through,
Let's come back after commercial.
we
We will be back with our finished product. Un momento.
camera off.
This portion of Cooking with Klein is brought to you by Dr. Skold's Foot Dynamite. Blows corns and calluses right off.
All my friends, you are back. And now the minute you have been waiting for. The finished souffle. May I say magnifique. One last touch to make it perfect. We may add just a very few Kellogg's Frosted Flakes sprinkled over the top. Just for looks. Makes it look very nice. Very edible. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Oh, beautiful. How you say? Magnifique.
Beautiful.
Please. And my friends, the best part of...
You got flour on your nose.
No sheet. The best part of all your trouble and hard work for creating this, may I call, masterpiece, this souffle,
What
comes at the end.
What is the best part?
The best part, my friend?
Yes.
The best part? Au revoir, my friends. Au revoir. All right, cut. That's a take. Did I get in your eye?
Cut it, David. You like that music?
If you're like most mothers who just can't find the time or the stomach to change baby, but refuse to put up with the constant crying, you'll want new Sparties, the 5-day live-in diaper suit. Sparties are made from inexpensive miracle fabrics that take all the mess and bother and free you to do the things you like. And when the Spartie is filled up, just simply untie the drawstring, lift the baby out by the neck, and toss the old Spartie in the trash. Then, after you've hosed down baby, baby is ready for a new Spartie, and you're ready for another week of carefree living. Sparties, it's in the bag. Sparties, the 5-day live-in diaper suit, at groceries near you.